Today we're at 28914 Diana Falls. We're going to go and take a look at this property is for rent. Take a quick look at the street here. This is out Borgfeld and 281 North. It's a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath. Square footage is approximately 3,163. As you can see, it's going to be an open floor plan, high ceilings. Nice long entryway here. Get a look at the tall ceilings there. You're going to have several living areas. Formal living here up front. Formal dining. Also off the front, we're going to have laundry area, nice big laundry area. Tiled laundry area. Also going to have the half bath. Through this door is the garage, 3-car garage. Does have a garage door opener and water softener. Wood floor throughout the bottom. Carpet upstairs, also have tile as you've seen in the laundry. Nice big kitchen. Nice, quite a bit of living space in this house. Under cabinet lighting there. Plenty of countertop space. Cabinet storage, does have a walk-in pantry there in that door. You're gonna have another another eating area. Well, another living area right here in front of us, and another eating area, breakfast area. You can also put some bar stools here if you wanted. If you have quite a bit of people to feed. So this would be your family room. We'll go upstairs. There's some more living spaces up there. Master bedrooms downstairs in this property. This master is approximately 13 by 18. Right into the spacious master bath. Double vanity, very bright in here. If you like bright spaces, this would definitely be a bright space. Your toilet will be in that door, right into the walk-in closet. One more look at the bathroom here. Back into the master. This property is managed by Liberty Management. They're located at 7217 Bandera Road. You can always go by there if you have any questions. Upstairs now. The other bedrooms are upstairs. I'm going to have a bit of a game room area here. You could turn it into their media space. And then just around the corner to the right, I'm going to have a little loft area. Another space for play area, or even an office space as they have here. Sitting area, whatever you prefer. So there's one bedroom here. I would call this probably your guest bedroom. Because it does have a bathroom attached to it here. The other bathroom's just right here across the hall. Tile shower surround, tile floor. And the other two bedrooms right up front here. All three of these bedrooms are going to be similar in size, 11 by 12 approximately. All right, so there's a quick look through this property. Loft space. Obviously you have at least 3 or 4 living spaces. 4 bedrooms, as I said earlier. This is in the Comal ISD. Zip code here is 78260. We're gonna go out back, take a quick look at the backyard. As I said, this is managed by Liberty Management. Nice large covered patio here. Brick goes all the way around. So this is managed by Liberty Management. You can also call them at 210-681-8080. Mark Fee is a realtor. He always has lots of information about these properties. 210-618-9161 is his phone number. Take one more quick look inside. Once again, this is 28914 Diana Falls, Prospect Creek out at Kinder Ranch. It's off Borgfeld and 281 North. All right? Thank you for watching.